4,000 hours. The almighty cloud that is hanging above every new YouTuber's head since 2017. This number, I'll break it down for you in the language you will understand so that you will know if this YouTube thing, if this YouTube life is something that you want to go into. Hey guys, my name is Flo. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, click my name under this video and check out my channel. If my videos are the type of things you like to see, feel free to subscribe and enable notifications so that when I upload new videos, you'll be notified. I enjoy getting to know my viewers in the comment section, so please make me happy. Go down there and say hi. Today, we'll start explaining this almighty number with this number line. So this is 0 and this is 4,000 hours. So let's use John as example. John uploads a video that is 3 minutes long. And let's assume that in the ideal world, because that's never going to happen, in the ideal world, every single viewer of this video starts the video from beginning till end without skipping, without clicking away, without doing anything. Start to finish, every single view. So that means that for John's video, for every view, when you have one view here, John has achieved 3 minutes on the 4,000 hours scale. 3 minutes, another view, 3 minutes, another view, 3 minutes. In 1 hour, we have 60 minutes. For every hour, John needs 60 divided by 3, which is 20 views. So when you see 20 views on John's video, it means that John has achieved 60 minutes of watch time. 60 minutes, remember, is just 1 hour out of 4,000 hours. So, assuming that this ideal situation keeps happening for every single view that John gets on this video, how many views do you think that John will need to achieve 4,000 hours? Assuming that John uploads just this video on YouTube. It means 1 hour, we've already gotten here that 1 hour is 20 views. 4,000 hours is equal to, this is simple proportion, you just multiply this by this, 4,000 multiplied by 20 divided by 1, this one here. 4,000 times 20 gives you 80,000 views. This means that if all these conditions are met, 1, John uploads a 3-minute video, 2, John uploads only this video on his channel, and 3, every single viewer of this John's video starts to view the video from beginning till end without clicking away. Every single viewer. We have this perfect number of 80,000 views. So when this video gets to 80,000 views, he will qualify for monetization. Of course, he would have to have 1,000 subscribers as well. But let me tell you, if this video gets to 80,000 views, I guarantee you that at least 2,000 people, 80,000 views does not necessarily mean 80,000 people, because some people will watch a video. If the video is so good, they can come back and watch it. So let's say that half of these views are actually the number of people that watch this video. So 80,000 divided by 2 is 40,000. So out of those 40,000 people, I'm pretty sure that at least, in the worst case scenario, 2,000 people will subscribe to John's channel. By achieving the 4,000 hours watch time, John has used one stone to kill 2 birds by achieving the 1,000 subscribers as well. I guarantee you that. Of course, in the video, John has to tell people to subscribe, remind people to subscribe if they like the video, of course, to ginger them. So that's what you get for a video that is 3 minutes long. 80,000 views. Remember this number. So let's use another example to show you that This 4,000 hours watch time is not any fixed number of views. So let's say that another person, Jane, creates a channel. Jane is a vlogger, and we all know that vlogs tend to be longer than, say, tutorials. So Jane uploaded a video that is 20 minutes long. The video is 20 minutes long, and the vlog is so interesting that every single person that watches the vlog is glued, watching it with rapt attention. So what happens on Jane's 4,000 hours number line? For every view that Jane gets, she has 20 minutes. For every single view. In John's case, every single view that John gets gives him only 3 minutes. But in Jane's case, one view gives Jane 20 minutes. That's a huge difference. Can you imagine? So let's say the first view, 20 minutes. Second view, how many minutes? 40 minutes. The third view, 60 minutes. So when Jane has 3 views here, she has 1 hour watch time already, because 60 minutes make 1 hour. That means that it will take Jane less views to achieve 4,000 hours if she has only this one video on her channel, and if every single viewer of this video watches it from beginning till end. So we have 1 hour equals 3 views, only 3 views. So 4,000 hours equals how many? 4,000 multiplied by 3, which is 3 times 4, 12. 12,000 views. Compare that to 80,000 views in John's case. Madre mia. So this one video that Jane uploaded that is doing so well in terms of audience retention, she will achieve the 4,000 hours with 12,000 views instead of 80,000 views in John's case. But these two examples are ideal situations. It doesn't happen in YouTube land, trust me. So this does not mean that you should go and be uploading 1 hour videos so that you achieve your watch time quicker. No, don't even do that, because if you upload a 1 hour long video and the video is not interesting, it's only 1 minute of the video, maybe the beginning of the video that is interesting, people will watch the video and click away. So even though you have a 1 hour video, you will still have 1 minute per view on that video. You're not going to have 60 minutes per view on that video. So for those of you that have already started uploading videos, okay, you have several videos on your channel, so you want to know when you will get to, because this, we're using just one video, that the person uploaded one video on their channel. So you want to know, with my 10 videos, with this my 15 videos, with this my 20 videos, how long will it take me to get? So you go into your YouTube analytics, and under overview, you will see where they wrote average view duration, and find out the number there for yours. As you can see here, the number for mine is 3 minutes 33 seconds average view duration on all my 300 and something videos I have on YouTube. They took the average view duration for each view on every single one of my videos and came up with this number. 3 minutes 33 seconds is rounded up to 3.5 minutes. So we use that to make a calculation. So the average view duration for my channel is 3.5 minutes approximately. Find out what your own number is, and wherever I put this figure, you put yours there. Okay, if one view is 3.1 view, 3.5 minutes, how many views are in 1 hour? 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 60 minutes divided by 3.5. Now we're getting down to the nitty-gritty, like accurate number. Let me get a calculator. That gave me approximately 17 views. So for every 1 hour, I get 17 views. So 1 hour equals 17 views. 4,000 hours will equal 4,000 multiplied by 17 over 1, which will give you 0, 0, 0. 4 times 7, 28. Carry 2, 4 times 1, 4, 6. So you need 68,000 views to achieve 4,000 hours on a channel that has an average view duration of 3.5 minutes. Can you imagine? John had 3 minutes average view duration and he needs 80,000 views. Can you imagine the difference that half a minute more on a channel made? Can you imagine? That's 12,000 views less than someone that has average view duration of 3 minutes. Can you imagine that? So it's mind-blowing how many different views you can come up with different average view durations for a channel. With this in mind, you can keep grinding and keep grinding and keep doing it. You will get there one day. Keep uploading. It doesn't matter if right now your videos have 100 views, 20 views. It doesn't matter. It takes just one video. One video can skyrocket you, propel you above 4,000 hours watch time. And of course, like I said earlier, once you get that many views, trust me, your 1,000 subscribers will be there as well. The thing I find people doing a lot on this YouTube is that they put the cart before the horse. You go to the comments and you see people saying, come and support me, let's support each other. That's scouting for subscribers before views or before making good content that will attract the views. Make great content that attracts the views. And you don't need 1,000 subscribers to have 1,000 views. You don't need 1,000 subscribers to have 10,000 views. There's someone that creates a channel now, uploads a very interesting video on YouTube today. That video goes viral and gets 1 million views with 0 subscribers or with 1 subscriber or something like that. So you do not need subscribers to get a high amount of views. Just make a video that you feel that is helpful, is interesting. Start by sharing it on your Facebook page. Share it in a WhatsApp group you belong to that allows that kind of thing. Tell your friends and family to share it on their Facebook pages as well. And those initial views will propel that video to do well. And once YouTube notices that the video is getting a lot of views at the beginning, it will help promote that video, recommend it to a lot of people. Have you liked this video yet? Have you? You will not like now, but you want people to like your own videos. Mba, it doesn't work that way. Do me, I do you. God, no go next. Get to the comments and meet each other there. I don't want you to spam this comment. In fact, I'll be moderating this comment section. I don't want you to spam this comment section with support me, I support you. That thing will not help you on the long run. You may get the subscribers, but let me tell you, you may have 1,000 subscribers sitting on your channel, but you still give up before you get to the 4,000 hours. Go after the 4,000 hours because trust me, that's the one you have control over. Make a great video. Get people to share it for you. Of course, people that you've been rubbing their back before. And then you will get the 1,000 subscribers easily. You don't need this sub for sub thing. No, you don't need it because those people that you're doing subs for sub with are busy promoting their channels. They won't be patient enough to come and be watching your videos. Make great videos and attract the right audience for your channel. Good luck and keep grinding. Bye bye. See